Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to log out of Facebook Messenger. To start the process, open your Messenger application on your mobile device. You can see that my Messenger is logged in with my Facebook account. Now open your Facebook application. Here, tap on Menu on the top right corner. Then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, tap on Settings. Now tap on Account Center. After that, tap on Password and Security. Now tap on Where you're logged in. Here, tap on your Facebook username. Now select any device from here. Then select the devices from which you would like to log out. After that, tap on Log Out. Then tap on Log Out to confirm. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.